Suddenly, the biggest obstacle is no problem. With Whirlpool, the ice has been moved to the door for more space where you need it. The Conquest Refrigerator. It's the conquest of space. Whirlpool. Just imagine.